Welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie from kicksyeezybay. This is my website and my contact link. Okay, today I got these pairs Yeezy 700 Visual Vanta shoes. You can check these shoes all black, triple black around these shoes, and the shoes materials, the black suede materials. You can check. Under the side part, you can see here there are some shoulder panels, and the stitchings around the shoes very regular. Okay, and to show you guys the suton part, you can see the mesh material on the shoes. And this part, check. And the next shoes will release on the June 8th, and I think these shoes will be really popular. So today I got shoes to show you guys. Okay, and I show you the middle sole, the rubber middle sole, and check the back parts. You can see here have many patch, and another side also many patch here. A piece of the shoe material on the back also, and up to the heel you can check shoe immersed material. Okay, and check the shoes outsole. You can check the outsole, rub outsole, and here have many punch, and the little boost goes through in the bottom, and the Adidas logo. Yeah, really perfect shoes. And I will check out the shoes page to show you guys. Check. Here, this is the shoes page, coming with the Adidas logo, and the back parts. You check there are 3 colorways on the shoe page, and the quality is check, really soft. Okay, and underneath the shoes page, the inside stitching is regular, and the inside label. Check, really good quality. Okay, and the last one I will show you guys the shoes box. Check here the 700 on the shoe box middle, and this is the outside label. Check the USA half size. And show you close look the shoes, the back, the bottom. Okay, and this is a short videos for you guys. If you're interested about these shoes, you can leave your comments about your points. And thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.